Okay, that's enough of that. What? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, makeup, vlogs, hauls, anything in between. If you request it, I'll do it. So, but today's video is so exciting, like you have no idea, because I am doing a wonderful review slash demo with these lovely lashes. They are from LUX Lashes, and they are magnetic eyeliner and magnetic eyelash set. Took me a few tries. And I can't wait to show you guys how to put these on. Let's demo, review, all this fun stuff. So let's get into the video. So first things first, let's look at packaging. It comes in this sleek packaging. And first of all, this set retails for $59.95 Canadian. And the best part is that it comes with tweezers, it comes with the liner, and then 3 different lashes, which we will get a close-up of. The best part is if you use Leslie 10 at checkout, you are supporting me and supporting the small business brand here in Canada, in Winnipeg, and they are amazing, and I think you guys should try these. So let's get into it. I'm gonna bring you guys in. Okay, so I just have mascara on. I haven't done anything. These are the lashes right here. So this is the little eyeliner and magnetic eyeliner. And first impression, ooh, it smells like baby powder. So you take the magnetic liner. I feel like with the lashes, I'm definitely going to have to trim them. I think we're gonna put on these bottom ones. So anyways, so first things first is we gotta take the liquid liner. So I'm gonna try to do this where I can see it and then show you guys. This is very hard. So you can see on the lash, there are magnetic strips on it. Super cute. You guys, these feel so comfortable. That is so easy. Oh my God. You guys, look how gorgeous they're on. It's like connected. Like I feel like, so there are the lashes, you guys. That was so easy to do. You just put on a thick layer of the magnetic eyeliner. You just put it on, let it go. I had to trim, I had to just take one magnetic piece off, and then that's it. I'm ready to take on the day. That was so easy, so amazing. Like I said, this kit retails for $59.95. Use my code Leslie10 to save 10% at checkout, and you will not regret it. You are helping me, and you guys, I am living for these lashes. Like, no more glue. There you go, magnetic lashes for the win. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this demo. I hope you enjoyed this review. It was so easy to do. I can't believe there's no gluey mess. Like you literally saw me. I put it on and then I put the lashes on, and they like, you feel it, it like magnetizes to the eye. So anyways, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, you are supporting me by using my code and supporting a Canadian Winnipeg brand here. Make sure you guys like this video, thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos. Make sure you guys are subscribed and put that notification bell so you guys are notified when I do upload a new video. Let me know in the comment section where you guys are from and what you guys want to see next time in the next video. So thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.